What's up, gangsters? We're back for the long-awaited sequel to Idiot Makes Beer Part 1. This will be Idiot Makes Beer Part 2, where I'll be showing you how to bottle your beer. A couple of things I missed in the first episode. You're going to need an extra bucket and bottles. Those are the two things I forgot about. So if you already started your beer, and now you're like, well, I'm ready to bottle it. I've been following the tutorial. Well, you need a few more bits of equipment, unfortunately. So 5 days ago, I added the hops to the beer. It said not to stir it in, just to leave it on top. So I sprinkled that in. Then after another 5 days, I checked the hydrometer and it was ready to go. So got the bottling ready. Sterilized all the bottles. You know, as we discussed previously, don't want to be getting any yeast fly or your beer to get infected. Sterilized all of our equipment again, all our bottles, the extra bucket, which I told you about earlier. You want to sterilize the siphon as well as the cheesecloth bag. And it's important also to add your priming sugar to the bottles. So that's half a teaspoon of sugar to each of the bottles once they're clean. Then you want to tie the cheesecloth bag to the bottom of the siphon, put your beer at a high level and your secondary bucket at a low level. Then you just got to wait for it to come through. It's kind of long, but what else are you going to be doing? Once that's all done, you're going to have to clean off the siphon because it's going to have bits of hops and bits of, wort on it. So, get rid of that. Any residue on there, you want that off. And then you get your bottles ready in an easy position, and then you just start siphoning it into the bowls. The song I used got copyright claimed, so I decided to re-upload this video, this song instead, just me singing, because I can't copyright claim myself if I put a song in that I made myself. Rooba-dooba scooby, nooba-tubby, riddick-dick, clickety-clack, doobity-dap. Bang the lids on. Then he recommends you leave it for 5 weeks. That's 2 weeks in a warm place and 3 weeks in a cool place. And then that's it. And then just drink it when it's done. Once you got the beer, then you can drink it. Why are you still here?
This is a thrill ride. Wrap it up.